Today's September the 19th, 2012. I'm out in rural southeast Ohio, doing a little backpacking, camping. I keep hearing something down here in the woods. We can get Samson to be quiet here for a minute. We are out in the middle of nowhere, southeastern Ohio. This is the road we've come in on. I'll show you what we just come through. There's the road where we just come in. Yeah, that's a road, believe it or not. Looking for a place to camp tonight. This is Samuel 1964 one. And I'll bring you along tonight. You can tell we're in Appalachia. That's the next ridge, 2 ridges over. You can see a tower way over there. Probably 5,000 acres here or so. Not too far from where there's been some sightings. Just wanted to do a little video in here. We've been following a bunch of deer through here. I heard something down in there that was big, wherever it was. Now I'm hearing something over in here. This is a big woods. It's really thick. I keep seeing something brown down here. I don't know if I can zoom out on that or not. Try to go slow here. There. Probably nothing. Pile of weeds. You see it right there? Let me try to zoom out a little better for you. And then when you're zooming this hard, I'm trying to do this freehand. Right there. Well, I'm just going to keep moving. And we'll see if it moves. We'll be back.